Medical Spaces Breakroom has a major impact on your team happiness. I want to give you some suggestions that you can make your space, make your break room more thriving for your team. Number one, your space planning. If you can choose and put an extension, a table that is multifunction, that is going to really help with your team to make the space more spacious while the other team member doesn't use the break room. That's number one. Number two is the smell. We usually install exhaust fan. I know exhaust fan is for bathroom, but we use it, the quiet one, in break rooms near microwaves or any conventional toaster, so they can take a lot of smells out to keep the air fresh in the break room and also not allowing the smell to go to the other part of the practice. If you can do it, if you're going through a build out, that would be a fantastic suggestion, and we've done it so many times and it's been such a great feedback from our clients. I would highly suggest it. Number three is system. You can put a system in place that everything gets organized. Nothing stays on the counter. Like if you can allocate and label your cabinetry, or if you're starting fresh, creating the cabinetry, it doesn't take a lot of time or energy or even a cost, but being more intentional about how you do your systemized from the coffee place to warming up food or anything else. You have a certain system into it. It makes the break room very decluttered. My challenge is to you to walk through your space or to your break room, see if there is anything you can improve this week, even if it's the one small thing, and feel the difference or see the difference. I hope this video helped you, and I wish you a very awesome journey.